When it comes to managing your cleaning and maintenance, Guesty's automations help make sure nothing falls through the cracks. Start by creating templates for recurring cleaning tasks, including at checkout, mid-stay, or for inspections. Add a checklist with everything that needs to be done. Attach photos to show what the end result should look like, and add a time estimate to better manage your staff. You can add automation to create these tasks for every booked reservation and pre-assign them to specific team members or groups of cleaners as needed. To streamline operations, you can provide your cleaners with a Guesty login that gives them access only to the information that's relevant to them. Your cleaners will be able to see any upcoming tasks by date, time, and priority, and each task status is also displayed, making it easy to track. For even more visibility, checklist items will be time-stamped as they're completed when a task is in progress. And once the full task is completed, the total duration will be displayed. Sections for comments and photo uploads also ensure that anything out of the ordinary is logged, including damages you might want to submit claims for. With cleaning tasks directly linked to reservations, changes to the checkout date or time will trigger a push notification, allowing cleaners to manage their schedules accordingly. Maintenance tasks can be managed in the same way, enabling you to communicate with your team directly through the Guesty platform if someone flags a problem, such as a window not closing or the water heater not working. Specify specific timeframes in which tasks need to be completed to prioritize urgent items first, or mark the timeframe flexible for non-urgent maintenance. You can also set up recurring tasks for routine maintenance like lawn care or smoke detector inspection, ensuring your properties are always well maintained.